Morning, guys. Morning. Hello, Monday today. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Report of KK.
Yes, sir.
Morning, brother.
There's this concept that I learned from the Hawaiians. The concept is Mālama Aina. The main term here is Mālama. Mālama is when you care for and you protect. The Hawaiians, their concept of Mālama is when you Mālama Aina, when you Mālama the land will in turn take care of you. Same thing goes with all our interaction. Mālama each other, Mālama Aina, Mālama Pono. Mālama Pono is all about taking care of yourself or be careful. That's the term that I wanted to